Welcome back. In today's video, we are going to be placing the concrete using a line pump, screeding, and finishing. And this is all work that we are doing on the patio that we prepared in the last video. The last video showed all the excavating, forming, sub-brace preparation, isolation strip, rebar placement, and everything needed to prepare for this point. So here we go. We decided to pump this patio because the access was not really ideal for using a buggy, and we didn't quite have the labor lined up to use wheelbarrows. So when you're pumping concrete, there's two considerations that you want to make. First one is in the mix design of the concrete, and the second is the labor that you'll need operating the pump. Now you can see here that we've got 3 guys on the system. One of the reasons for that is because we're using 4-inch hose, which the practical maximum is about 1 person per section, because each one of those sections, when it's full of concrete, weighs somewhere between 2 to 250 pounds. And the second consideration is the mix design, which is the reason why we are using the 4-inch hose. Originally, we had the 3-inch hose on there, and we ordered a design that was supposed to be pumpable with a 1/2-inch rock, and as soon as we started going, it plugged. And it turned out that the ready mix truck, the previous load had some larger rock and didn't get cleaned out all the way, which causes it to plug. So we changed up the game plan a little bit, threw the 4-inch hose on there, and had no problem. Pumped the whole thing out in about 10 minutes. So now you can see here we are screeding it off. 2 people on the screed and 2 people on the come-alongs, working very well in unison. It went off no problem. Unfortunately, my camera dies right here, so that's all we got for the bull floating. But with the finishing, we've got doing the edging here along the isolation strip, which once everything cures up, we can come back and peel that top perforated section off of the isolation strip, and it's going to create a nice joint in there that we can fill with some urethane and keep the water out. When you're edging, you want to make sure that you don't bury your edge and that you also don't roll the inside in too deep so that you can't flatten it back out with the float. So while I'm out here, we cut in the joints first with an airplane groover, but then while I'm out here on the skids, we just kind of clean them up a little bit, just because sometimes during the troweling and the skids, they fill them back in. So clean it back up. So we edge all the way around here on the knee boards, float it with the hand floats. After 2 rounds of this, there should be enough cream, and it is set up enough that you can drag the broom over it and be done. Now this is pretty much what we got for the whole rest of the video. We had to place this somewhat later in the afternoon, so we start running out of daylight. We didn't have good enough lights set up to be able to capture good footage. So this is it. So thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video.